Hey, what is up you guys? It is Twiz from the Sneakerhead Lab here with an overdue unboxing video. Where's the box? Unboxing video! Woo, you guys! What do you guys think the contents are? Before we get started guys, please hit that like and sub buttons. If you guys are just joining us, welcome. What we like to do is get some sneakers, review them. We also go to sneaker consignment stores and sneaker shops and we review those as well. Have you guys see firsthand what we like to do and what our passion is. Say no more, you guys probably saw the thumbnail and we got the Air Jordan 5 Moonlight or Oreos. What do you guys think? Hit me in the comments below. What do you guys think? Moonlight or Oreos? But regardless guys, we're gonna go ahead and get these on foot. Review them, tell you guys what we think about them and if there's any significant differences for the silhouette for the 2021s or the 2013s. Say no more, you guys. Let's get right into them. Take 5. Alrighty folks, getting into the upper for this iconic silhouette and one of my favorites like I mentioned before. So the Oreo 5s are primarily in a black nubuck upper. I did have a pair of the 2013s and this specific pair, if not all of the pairs from 2021, the nubuck does not seem like it's as soft and buttery and smooth as the 2013's one. You guys, I'm not sure what that's due to. Maybe the materials are not the same as the nubuck was in 2013, so these seem a little bit rough. That, that combing effect, running your finger through nubuck and having it comb to one side and the other is still there, but not as significant as the ones from 2013. I haven't had on hand another pair of the 2021s, but remembering my 2013s and I was very fond of, this is not the same nubuck. It's still smooth, but it's not as smooth. Moving on to the meshing of the lateral side here on the center. I feel like there is more mesh of this plastic mesh pattern design on these, and it's significantly smaller than the 2013s. Again, I don't have those 2013s anymore. I did compare some pictures, some listings on websites. Yeah, there is less mesh, and this cutout on the lateral side on the center is significantly bigger or larger per se. And yeah, with that said, I feel like, and I mentioned this in the stream, that these resemble a GS or a grade school size. Going back to, not inconsistencies, but differences from what I can remember. Also, a big difference that I noticed is the toe box. The toe box doesn't seem as bulbous as the 2013s. And I remember the 2013s feeling very bulbous, very bulky. Regardless, it's still very iconic, cool silhouette, and I would definitely still rock them. I feel like these have a more of a sleek look than a bulky, tanky look. I mean, in my book, they're totally very rockable. They're still, something that I would totally get. And the laces, no extra pair of laces. You get black laces, and they don't seem like they're treated or anything like that, like with wax. Lace locks are still the same, clear with a black lace lock there. Lace locks, to each their own. I personally don't really care for them, but I think that they work out and it's part of the iconic silhouette regardless. I used to rock them without them. To each their own, like I said. So rock them, stock them, whatever you guys want to do with them. The tongue also, something I noticed is that it's not as thick as the tongue from the 2013s. I feel like this tongue is a little more on the flimsy side. It's not as puffed as the 2013s one, I feel like. So maybe less material. maybe less material that is being used for the whole shoe, or for the whole upper in this case. The elements are still there. Air Jordan patch in the back, Air Jordan Jumpman logo in gray right here for the tongue, Air Jordan Jumpman logo for the back, and they're stitched on. Lining seems to be the same. It's actually somewhat napped. I'm not sure if this is a specific thing for the Jordan 5s, but yeah, this feels like a little napped, and it's in white. Lace guards here are in black. You can't really see them, so it gives you kind of like a stealthy look. And again, I mean, the sneaker just has the same colorway and everything else. So yeah, mesh is still on the tongue there. Inside you got that same black sole, Jumpman logo in gray, and nothing has really changed. So final thoughts about the upper for your sneakerheads that actually had a pair of Oreo 5s. There's a significant difference on the upper as far as the materials go, but regardless, still very resembling of the Oreo 5s, and maybe that's why they coined them the Moonlights, because maybe they knew that there was significant differences with everything else. Yeah, say no more. I would totally rock that sock. Alrighty, midsole and outsole, let's check it out. Fire colorway once again, including the midsole and the outsole, guys, and that's one of my favorite elements. I'm obsessed with air units, air bubbles, whatever you want to call them. The midsole is primarily in white, that Mustang fighter plane teeth. Opposite side of one side is in black with the paint splatter design, and the other side is just covered by the rest of the midsole in white. The outsole is in a translucent blue. I am not sure, and once again, I don't have my pair of 2013 Oreos, so I can't really compare this to that, but I feel like the shade of the ice bottom is slightly more blue than the 2013's ones. I'm not sure. I know there's still a hue of blue in the 2013 ones, but these, I for some reason think that it's more of a darker blue. I'm not sure, once again, if they changed the materials or what it takes to make this midsole, but I guess the plastic or the rubber concoction they use in the factories got the shade of blue slightly darker, and maybe it's due to prevent, let's say, yellowing or weathering. I feel like the quality control has gone up with Jordan. I feel like they are making sturdier Jordan models now versus back then where they used to just kind of fall apart on you. I feel like these you can actually store for a long time and still be able to rock them. But with that said, maybe that's due to changing the formula for the materials and whatnot. So a slighter shade of blue, in my opinion. I don't know what you guys think. Hit me in the comments below if you guys think otherwise. If they're less blue, you guys are more than welcome to comment. But yeah, midsole and outsole, guys. Still straight up fire, nothing has changed. All the elements are there, the paint splatters that I love, and very contrasty. 10s in my book. Alrighty guys, for the box, they changed it up a little bit. I do have the box, I just can't find it. It's somewhere here around the Sneakerhead Lab. So I feel like they inverted the paint splatters here. If I remember correctly, it is gray with black plain splatters. So I feel like they just inverted the box on what it used to be like. Inside the box, again, as far as accessories goes, this pair of sneakers only comes with one pair of laces in black. You got your complimentary shoe or sneaker inserts. The wrapping paper is in a splatter design, and I don't think that changed. Nothing else in here. There's no Jumpman decal or anything like that. So just plain and simple, you guys. The box feels a little on the thinner side, to be honest. To be completely honest, versus the 2013. So I mean, it's okay. You know, it's less recycled material, which they're being thrifty about it. If that happens to be the case, label, obviously the new Nike labels or Jordan labels have the new QR code, and the MSRP for these is $190 USD. Again, you guys, and if you guys don't already know, unreleased, you guys, stay tuned because we have a surprise for y'all. Alrighty folks, hit me in the comments below. What do you guys think about the video so far? It's that time of day. You guys, time for the giveaway announcement. This week's giveaway is going to be no other than the Air Jordan 5 in Moonlight colorway. So, all you guys have to do, comment below, Instagram, Twitter handle. Let me know what you guys think about the video. Get those entries in, you guys. These are a fire colorway. They are in a size 10, so if you guys are on that size, I'd really like to see you guys rock and don't stock these. Best of luck to everybody. Good luck, and we'll see who the winner is.